How to kill weeds in the grass with home remedies. Achieving and maintaining a healthy, lush, green lawn around a home in some cases requires the investment of a significant amount of time, energy and money. It only takes a few unwelcome weeds to ruin the appearance of a yard. Various commercially produced herbicides are available for use when attempting to control weeds. For those seeking a more natural approach to weed control, however, alternatives that use common ingredients found in many kitchens are available. Things you'll need: garden sprayer, vinegar, rock salt, liquid dish detergent. Pour white vinegar or apple cider vinegar into a spray bottle or garden sprayer. Apply the vinegar to the leaves and stems of weeds to pull moisture from the weeds, causing them to stress and die. Direct the vinegar spray onto weeds only. It is not selective and therefore will kill other vegetation. Apply a pinch of salt around the base of unwanted weeds. Monitor the weeds as the salt pulls moisture from them, causing them to die. Apply more salt if necessary. Use caution when salting a weed. Salt can leach into the soil and sterilize it for up to several months. Apply a soapy solution made from liquid dish detergent and warm water directly to weeds. Spray the weeds liberally so that the soapy solution can break down the protective waxy surface on any leaves. Follow the soap application with vinegar for best results. Mix 1 gallon of white cider or apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of rock salt and 1 tablespoon of liquid dish detergent to the container. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle or a garden sprayer. Allow the container to sit until the rock salt is dissolved. Spray the mixture directly onto weeds. Apply the mixture sparingly and only to weeds, as it is possible to sterilize soil in the immediate area if too much is applied.